She could be a pilot, viewing the world from high above. He could be a film director, making magic come to life. Or a basketball player, one that never gives up. He could be a business person, always a step ahead. She could be a singer with a voice you just love to hear. She could be a farmer, harvesting the land. He could travel far and discover new places. He could be a scientist, exploring the depths of the ocean. We don't know yet what their future holds, but here at Helen Doron Early English, with the experience of over 2 million students, we do know how to give your baby the very best start in life, so he can grow up to be whoever and whatever he wants to be. Helen Doron English, bringing the world closer.